It didn't do well. And see where I cut down all of this? I was telling everybody I got a little sick when I cut all this down. All of this is just all over my ground. It's just leaves and look at all the brown is all kind of vegetation from chop and drop, and the chop and drop is definitely a factor in my garden. I really don't have to use this if I don't want to. I just use it for a little booster. I don't have to because the weeds will actually do all the work, and in fact, the weeds do a lot of the work. This I got because it was $1.90. I'm not paying $4, $7 for a pack of fertilizer made from scraps at the farms. And you see right there, it's all kale. It's got leaves all in it that blew from the storm we had last night, and we had a heck of a storm last night. See right there, we got. I mean, this is collard greens here, and look at that. The sun getting ready to hit them, warm them up. Oh, in another week or two, no, another week or week and a half, I will go through it with sugar again, and that's how you do it. Walking over here, these are my containers. And that's kale and collard greens in it. Kale and collard greens. I just fed these as well. And I'm just feeding them because for the hell of it. I got nothing else to do today. These are all test spots. And we'll see how well they do. Just see how well they do. How much care they'll need, how much water they'll need, size of containers. These are really crunched in there real tight. And I want them like that. I could actually clip the tops off of these and start eating them. But I want to see how big they'll get and how many will survive with that many in there. You see I did a little less here and even less here. All right, this is the Morning Gardener telling you that, you can do it. Apple trees grown in high density. Look how close these are together. This is 3 trees cut off right now at about 6 feet. See that? They got their little spurs on them. Spurs. They didn't have those last year. These trees have got to be now about 2.5 years old. They give me an apple here and an apple there, so I'm good. I'm good. All right, that's good, folks. Look at that. Spurs, apple trees. And let's see what we got here. We got the this one here is the pink lady. That one over there near the orange cone is a what do they call that thing? That's a Granny Smith, and this one here is a Fuji, I believe. That's a Fuji. And I got a few more trees just